One question which keeps on popping up a lot of times on forums and in my comment section on YouTube, etc., is can we reuse pulp from winemaking? Once your pulp has been in the initial fermentation vessel, can you reuse it to make a second batch? And the short answer is absolutely you can. And that is just what we're about to do today. I've just recently made a gallon of blackberry wine and a gallon of blackberry mead. And here is the pulp from both of those gallons. So what I'm going to do is shove all the pulp, or the blackberry mulch, into a fermentation bucket, lemons and all, everything that came out from the bottom. Now you can use whatever fruit you have left over, be it apple or pear or any other mulch. You can get a second run from it. You want to pour over your chosen amount of either sugar or honey if you're making a mead. It does not matter which. Pitch the right amount for the style of wine you're going to be making. Bear in mind, a second run will be lighter in flavour and lighter in colour. You may not want to go for a high alcohol which doesn't quite carry that flavour forwards of the lighter run. So I'm going to be adding about 1.5 kilos of sugar straight in on top of the fruit mulch and give it a really good stir, get that sugar all mixed in. Now I would normally use hot or boiling water to help dissolve that sugar, but I'm not going to. I'm going to be adding your 1 gallon's worth of cold water on top of the mulch, your leftover lees and the sugar. The reason I'm not using hot or boiling water is because the mulch, the berries or whatever fruit you're using will still contain plenty of yeast and yeast nutrients. You have basically harvested a load of yeast that's all in amongst those berries or the mulch. If you use hot water or boiling water, you would kill off that yeast and you'd have to add a separate packet or a separate scoop. You can add more if you want to, but I just like using the same yeast strains that I've cultivated from my previous gallons. And then it's as simple as putting your lid on and fermenting it as you would do, as you did with your previous batch. No need to do anything extra, but you will end up with an extra gallon's worth, or 5 gallons worth if you're making a lot, of a lighter second run wine. You're using that fruit twice. The only caveat is make sure the fruit has not started to turn. If you leave the initial batch too long and it starts to go a bit off, whiffy, don't use it. Make sure the fruit, the pulp, is still viable. If it still looks good, if you would still take a spoon to it and take a big mouthful, it's good, hunky-dory, carry on. And if you want to see how I made the blackberry wine, check out this video. Or blackberry mead, this video. And I'll see you all really soon. You have a good day now. Awesome.